Procrastination is the inability to do something that we want to do, right? Our own inner voice has told us that we need to do something. Maybe it is to study for some exams that you're preparing for. Maybe it is to go to a gym. Maybe it is to do yoga, to do meditation, right? But we still don't do it. We procrastinate. Maybe it is to clear out the wardrobe. Maybe it is to change a light bulb. Maybe it is to shop something. Maybe you need to go out. Maybe it is also to talk to someone. Maybe you need to have some difficult conversation. Is that procrastination? Let me tell you something. Procrastination is of three types. The first type is very common, most people understand it, is the physical type of procrastination, where we physically procrastinate. Maybe it is to clean the house, maybe it is to move furniture, or whatever it could be for you. The second type of procrastination is more emotional procrastination. Maybe you want to have that difficult conversation with your partner, with your parent, with your children, with your boss, or with a client, but you're dodging and avoiding and procrastinating. These are the emotional procrastination. The third type of procrastination is thinking or mental procrastination. Maybe you need to plan out an event. Maybe you need to write a report. Maybe you need to study. You want to procrastinate there. So procrastination can be three different types.